The Manage Dates screen in Brightspace enables you to easily change the start and end dates of a course in order to limit or extend access to all of your students. It also enables you to easily manage the start, due, and end dates of multiple course activities at once, including the ability to bulk offset dates. Let's look at how it works. In your Brightspace course, click on the Course Tools drop-down menu and choose Edit Course. On the Course Administration screen, look for the Manage Dates link. It will appear on the top half of the screen. When you find it, click on the link to go to the Manage Dates screen. To edit your course start or end dates, for example, in order to open the course early, or in order to allow extended access for all students enrolled in the course, click on the Edit pencil to the right of the dates at the top. Edit the dates as desired and then click Save to save your changes. Note that changing the dates in this way doesn't affect the official start and end dates of the course and banner. It simply controls the window of time during which you want to permit students to access the course. To edit the dates of specific activities such as discussions, assignment drop boxes, and quizzes, it's easiest to start by filtering. For example, let's say we want to edit the due and end dates of the discussions and quizzes in this course. We'd click on Specific Tools, and then select Discussions and Quizzes, and then click Apply Filter. Now we have a few options. If we only needed to update a few activities, we could use the individual drop-down menus to make those changes. But we also have the option to edit multiple dates at once or even offset multiple dates at once, using the links at the top of the list. For example, we can click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all of the discussions and quizzes. If there are any that didn't need to be modified, we could deselect them. Now, if we bulk edit dates, we can apply a new due, start, and/or end date to all of the selected activities at once. You may find bulk offset dates to be more useful, however, as it lets you move dates forward by a specified number of days for multiple selected activities. In this case, we already have multiple items selected, so let's go ahead and click Bulk Offset Dates. We have various options here, so if something doesn't apply in your case, just uncheck the box. For example, if you use due dates but not end dates, or if you didn't want to change the start dates, you can uncheck those boxes. I'm going to uncheck Start Date in this case. Next, you have a couple of different options for offsetting the dates. Let's say, for example, that you want to offset all of your due and end dates by 5 days. In this case, you could click on Offset by Direction and Range, and then enter 5 as the range under days. If you click Save, this would move those dates forward by 5 days. Alternately, you can select Calculate Range between 2 dates and use the calendar icon to select a date. Here, we'll select a date that's 5 days in the future, and now a message appears on screen to confirm this. Finally, to save the changes, we'll click Save. And that's it, really. Manage Dates is an ideal spot when you need to quickly update multiple dates within a course, or when you want to update the start or end date of your Brightspace course.